Get ready, tech lovers, because the upcoming Google Pixel 11 Pro XL is about to redefine what a smartphone can do. And trust me, this phone isn't just an upgrade, it's a total game changer. Imagine holding the future in your hands, powered by Google's next-level AI that learns your habits, anticipates your needs, and gives you a smartphone experience that feels almost alive. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is rumored to feature Google's new Tensor G5 chip, built on a 3-nanometer process for ultra-fast performance and efficiency, meaning apps open instantly, gaming feels smoother than ever, and multitasking happens like a breeze. But the magic doesn't stop there. The AI inside this beast is smarter than ever. From live call screening that sounds human to instant translation that works even offline, Google has taken AI integration to a jaw-dropping level. The display? A stunning 6.9-inch QHD plus AMOLED panel with a 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, delivering buttery-smooth visuals, rich colors, and incredible brightness even under direct sunlight. Watching movies, gaming, or just scrolling will feel like stepping into another dimension. Now, let's talk about what really makes Pixel phones legendary: the camera system. The Pixel 11 Pro XL packs a triple camera setup with a 200MP main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a periscope zoom capable of up to 10x optical zoom. Thanks to Google's new AI-driven Hyperfusion engine, every photo captures detail and lighting like never before, making night shots look like they were taken in daylight. And for all the vloggers and creators out there, the front camera delivers true-to-life colors with ultra-stable 4K video recording. Combine that with Google's enhanced AI cinematic mode, and your videos will look like professional film productions. When it comes to battery life, the Pixel 11 Pro XL doesn't disappoint. It's rumored to feature a massive 5,500 mAh battery with 65W fast charging and 30W wireless charging support. Plus, Google's adaptive battery AI learns your usage patterns and ensures power lasts even longer throughout the day. But here's where the suspense builds. The Pixel 11 Pro XL is expected to debut with Android 16, bringing an all-new interface and exclusive AI customization tools. Imagine changing your wallpaper, widgets, and system design automatically based on your mood or time of day. That's the kind of personalization Google wants to bring to your pocket. Rumors suggest a launch date around October 2025, with prices starting near $1,199 in the US, placing it head-to-head with Samsung's S26 Ultra and Apple's iPhone 17 Pro Max. But Google is confident. It believes the Pixel 11 Pro XL will outsmart the competition, not just outperform it. And the surprise? Leaks suggest Google might bundle its brand new Pixel Buds 3 Pro for free for early buyers, a huge bonus for those who grab it first. So, what do you think? Is the Pixel 11 Pro XL the most powerful and intelligent smartphone of 2025? We'll find out soon, but one thing's for sure: Google just raised the bar for what we expect from a phone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to my channel, and tell me in the comments from which place you're watching. I'd love to know. And here's the twist for those who stayed till the end. In my next video, I'll reveal a secret Google AI feature that might never be shown publicly but could change how we use phones forever. So don't miss it.